Hey guys, MotorCarNut here, and today we're going to be removing an oil pan on a Hyundai or Kia with the 2.4 liter engine. That's the GDI or the MPI engine or the 2.0 turbo. Basically all the same type of engines. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is you're going to have to jack the car up. All right, take off the wheel. You have the lugs are 21 millimeter. All right, and then there's going to be a little plastic shield here, okay, where it has 10 millimeter bolts, one there, and one behind here. Okay, it's a little plastic shield. You take that out, okay, and you're going to want to take off the serpentine belt up there. This one right here is 17 millimeter. You push it towards the front of the car, take the belt off, and that's where we're at right now. So now what we're gonna have to do is take off this bracket. All right, this bracket, aluminum bracket, is in the way of some of the bolts on the oil pan. So over here, you have 12 millimeter and 12 millimeter. You take those out, and then you have a 12 here, 12 here, a 12 in here, and a 12 here, and just tap this this little metal bracket out, and that's what I'll do right now. Okay, so after we get the bracket out of the way, these are 12.12 millimeter. Those two, take them out, and the rest are 10 millimeter. We're gonna take them all out and then continue from there. Okay, so once we got all the 10 millimeter bolts out, you're going to pry it down, and this is a good area to do it. Probably use a chisel here. You don't want to mar the aluminum. If you bend the oil pan, that's fine. You can bend that back. You get it in nice and tight. Like that. You tap it with a hammer here. Then you get like a pry bar, and it's going to come right down. Here's the pan. And like I said, you see that little lip? You could just straighten it back up. All right, make sure it's nice and straight. Put it against like a piece of steel somewhere and bang it up nice. Clean it all up. Clean the surfaces over here. And if yours was leaking, you just put it back up with some RV sealant. The black gasket maker's a good one. And here, this is the oil pump assembly here. And that's basically how you do that. All right, guys. MotorCarNut, please subscribe, hit that like button. Any questions, leave them below pertaining to the video. And I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching.